gente? Oh, you thought I was gonna skip this day, huh? I've been busy promoting the Kickstarter a lot, so I was like really super tired. Anyway, we got Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, and today I'm doing Taurus. Now, let me talk a little bit about the title. You might have seen those posts or videos online. The ones about art tips, with 2 images that say, don't do this, never do this, always do that. Well, as much as I appreciate sharing tips, I just don't like that format. I understand they're easy to digest, quick bits of information needed to be enticing to be seen, and we tend to respond quicker to things that tell us yes or no. But man, I just don't like the blanket statement of never do this when it comes to art. Putting aside things like don't trace other people's work and pass it as your own, don't steal characters, claim that they're yours, obviously those things are bad. My issue is telling newcomers to art things like never use so-and-so color combination, never shade this with that or that color. I just feel just because I don't do it doesn't mean that other artists can't do it and get a good result. So I prefer a better rounded way of saying it. Here are the things I do and I prefer on my art. If you want to do something similar to what I do, you can follow these steps. One could argue that the sentiment is kind of implicit, but that's the problem of reducing information so much. I don't know, just a thought. That being said, never do what I did here. I was happily inking, getting a bit distracted thinking about the promotion I needed to do for the Kickstarter, and I had grabbed a 0.5 pen, which is more leakier than my other multiliners. And without thinking, I laid down a stroke for her fishnet stockings. You can see it right there, me stopping and thinking, oh shit, oh this is gonna bleed when I color her skin. I should stop. I should stop inking and just inking it later. Nah, maybe it'll work out, and I already have the lines penciled in. I made the huge mistake of inking her fishnets with a very wet multiliner that obviously was not gonna dry out. And the marker. Oh, the marker got stained with the black ink, because of course it did, and everything started bleeding, black ink everywhere. I tried to save it by coloring box by box. Later on, I started shading her skin. I shaded her blush, and of course I had to shade her legs, and because I was not going to redo this illustration, I thought, what if I gave her darker stockings, as if she had brown stockings under her fishnets? Oh yes, this could save it. It would not look awful. I am a perfectionist, and in traditional art, I struggle with not having that control over every little pixel. So that's just how you learn. So, getting back on the zodiac character designing topic, for my Taurus design, she has bull horns made with her hair, that is covered by the horn hat. Her hair is pink, as that's one of Taurus's colors, and her makeup, while very 80s, makes me see her as a bit of a warrior. Not sure where that's coming from, to be honest. Clearly, I was too nervous while I was working on this drawing. I did her highlights before I did her blush, so I had to go over it with a pencil. The pencil basically scrapes the white ink out, so I can draw it again on top of it later. And of course, that made the tip of the white pen stuck with pencil bits. Not the best suggestion, but the best way I found to clean it is to rub it on my finger. Taurus's flowers are daisies. I will repeat the same process I did on Pisces water lilies to paint white flowers, by coloring them with gray cool markers. And done, she's done, and I have messed up so much, but she's done. Tomorrow, Gemini. Prismatic Kickstarter campaign still going. We're almost at 60% and I'm so nervous about it. Check the link below, please. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Find me on Instagram at SHOURIMAJO for more art. And join my Patreon Kitty Meal Club for monthly surprises. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.